Now, in this case, for high treason, for Article 6, the only punishment prescribed is death sentence or imprisonment for life.
Mr. Salman, it's not actually an appeal before this court. As the appellant, it was numbered just to make it visible that it is appeal pending before this court. The appellant has never surrendered before this court.
It never surrendered.
Therefore, it was not actually numbered.
I thought, Your Lordship, चूंकि इसमें कुछ ऐसे मामला थे, and this is indeed very unfortunate.
Since you had given some reasons that his non-surrendering was on account of ill health.
Yes, sir.
So we were more accommodating.
Of course, sir.
But then we expected that the legal heirs, or one or more of them, would come forward. So then there is nothing before us to decide.
I had
we are not deciding anything.
I had drafted some very engaging points for my lord.
Really appreciate.
And I'm even today very anxious कि एक दफा मुझे वो if I'm able to overcome the hurdle and the impediment, which legally I cannot assist my lords any further after his death and after the family not coming forward and in the absence of fine.
So in regular cases, when we look at 431,
Sir.
if the appellant passes away,
Sir.
the appeal abates.
Sir.
So that's the legal position.
That's the legal position.
So
You are not.
There is no fine.
There is no exception.
And no one is here to engage me. I cannot represent a dead person.
in this particular case, we've reached out to the legal heirs, but on repeated notices, they're not coming.
Repeatedly.
And it's been widely reported in the media, so I doubt it. They won't know about it.
Your Lordship, this honorable court has gone out of the way, but of course, एक गिला of course उनका बन सकता है.
I was really looking forward to hearing your
Lordship,
submissions.
I was equally anxious, but perhaps maybe some other day, some other case. Lordship, for 3.5 years, बदकिस्मती इस केस की क्या रही है, मैं वो जरूर हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगा. एक ये कि 6 साल की ताखीर के बाद केस स्टार्ट होता है. Should have high treason should have been noticed, should not have gone unnoticed. Instantly, the federal government should have been in action. वो नहीं होता.
You want us to plead guilty?
6 साल के
What
बाद
can we do? देखिए सलमान साहब, for what we are trying to do, I know you're not the only person who's complained this. Of course, everybody can weigh his turn. If it's predetermined, first in, first out. I mean, naturally, we can't hear 55,000 cases simultaneously.
Course,
but if there's a system, first in, first out, first in, then even in the Sindh High Court, I would
increasing like वो pyramid approach तो है ही नहीं ना, वो same amount of cases are landing in the Supreme Court.
We are trying to restructure things,
Sir.
minimizing discretion or in fact finishing discretion, and unless there are good reasons. I mean, there are cases which become irrelevant, after a certain period of time. It could be election dispute, it could be a custody order. There are various naturally inbuilt, you have to have them decided. Or the law stipulates that it should be done. And I think in this case, you are absolutely correct that the law, if it does not stipulate, it certainly heavily implies that these it's not an everyday case. It should be attended to as quickly as possible.
Your Lordship. For 4 years, it was high on the shelves. In the registrar office.
So we did this to do this. They had the same complaint. CP is not being heard, so at least we've got them fixed.
But Your Lordship, may I submit, even if the family was here today and would have instructed me to proceed with the appeal, the Indian jurisdiction in the relevant section is 436.
In that case, 431 has to be independently challenged.
It has to be.
Because either it's not constitutionally correct or requires interpretation.
It has to be challenged.
It has to be challenged.
Abhi tak ki settled jurisprudence, uniform and consistent.
You have to challenge 431 to say it's unconstitutional and it access to justice affect करता है, तब फिर हम आगे चलते हैं.
फिर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
अभी तो instructions ही नहीं कुछ करने की, तो कैसे?
And Your Lordship, the 4 reported judgments that I have today, all of them are through legal representatives.
Right.
All of them, not a single. So,
can you give us a list of those cases?
No, but in those cases, this is a Pakistani jurisdiction.
Pakistan?
No, so if the person had passed away, they allowed the legal heirs to argue the matter.
Only if there is a fine. even for
Is that
compens-
provision available in 431?
Yes, sir. The only exception is fine. Your Lordship, the first judgment is
जी जी बताएं
2020 SCMR 359.
2020 SCMR
359. This is through legal aids, judgment authored by His Lordship Mr. Justice late Qazi Muhammad Amin Saab.
Okay.
जी
And Your Lordship, इसमें उन्होंने लैंडमार्क जजमेंट जिस पे रिलाई किया जाता है जस्टिस कॉर्लिनियस की है 1971 SCMR 35. This was a judgment through 8 legal years. 1971 की जो जजमेंट
71 SCMR?
1971 SCMR 31, sir.
और पहले क्या लिखा है यार?
जो पहली जजमेंट है 2020 SCMR 359.
351.
359, sir. The second judgment, जिसमें my lord Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah Sahab was also a part and parcel. 2019 SCMR 1144. Lordship Mr. Justice Manzoor Ahmad Malik Sahab, Qazi Muhammad Amin, and Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali, authored by Qazi Muhammad Amin Sahab.
what did it hold?
Your Lordship, this again said that only if there is a monetary punishment arising
So
from
that passes on to the legal heir.
G, Your Lordship. The third one is, Your Lordship, this is a 5-member bench judgment 1971-35. This is authored by Justice S.A. Rahman, and there is a disagreeing opinion on by Justice Cornelius. That is also very important.
ये क्या citation?
This is 1971 SCMR 35.
अरे क्या आपने लिखा है 71 SCMR 31?
35, sir.
अच्छा 35.
वो तो आपने कहा कॉर्नेलियस साहब का जजमेंट है
और लीनियस साहब का एक एडिशनल नोट है उसके अंदर ऑन अबेटमेंट.
So you've given us 3 judgments.
I've given 3. There is a fourth one, sir.
जी.
The fourth judgment is PLD 1967, Supreme Court 42. These are the 4 judgments of the Supreme Court which are repeatedly referred to.
42
And then, Your Lordship, there is one judgment.
what is the principle?
The principle is, Your Lordship, that with death, corporal punishments are exacted from the body and from the person. And if the person is in the grave, that is the end of the matter. Appeal is abated in terms. Black's Law Dictionary की मैं definition को भी जरूर refer करूंगा. It nullifies, it eliminates, the claim ends.
Oh, how would you attend to, if I put it to you, if my father is now a convict murderer and he filed an appeal and the son, the family, subsequent generations will suffer from a stigma,
Your Lordship.
though it's not a
I
financial
always
thing.
think about it.
Though it is not a financial thing, why should they be deprived
Lordship.
of exoneration?
Lordship, unfortunately, the way criminal jurisprudence should have developed, it has not. And what is happening in the US? अगर आज in 2023 with the aid and help of DNA technology,
नहीं वो तो एक अलग बात है.
आज भी वो कहते हैं आप स्पॉन्सर
नहीं,
करें और स्टिग्मा को वॉश
एक
करें.
नॉर्मल अपील में
और अपील किस सेक्शन?
कभी तो होते हैं ना फाइनेंशियल चीजें कि जी मुझे वो रिटायरिंग बेनिफिट्स वगैरह whatever. But within the constitution, the fundamental rights, is there anything in
I
favor
have
of you?
attempted for the past 23 years, this is what I do day in, day out, murder appeals. More than 3,000 I have argued in High Court and on many occasions.